Okay, so please, ladies and gentlemen, first of all, I would like to tell you one by one that today's how we start there, right? It is called rounding chair. It is called rounding chair, right? And we all of us will try to speak English together, right?
Yes.
And first, I will make a question each you, right? And you will try to answer one by one, right? And first try to speak English together one more, only for 10 minutes or 5 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes only, okay? So are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Are you ready?
Ready.
Okay, so introduce yourself together. What your name is different type of, right? Like what's your name? Your so guys, you can see, right, every student's name is different, right? So that's why you will say your name, right? Your own name, not a one name, right? I didn't want to repeat your name anymore, right? मुझे किसी का नाम नहीं दोहराना चाहिए था. So sorry. So what's your name? You speak a lot. Hey you, why are you sitting silently? Try to speak something else about you. What's your name? What's your father's name? Where are you from? Right?
Yes.
So, guys, are you ready?
Yes, I'm
so,
ready.
What's your name?
My name is
You speak a lot. What's your name?
My name is Alexander.
What's your name?
My name is Alexander.
Oh, wow, nice. So, what's your father's name?
My father name is Abdul.
Oh, nice, good. And where are you from?
I'm from
Oh, nice. So, you are from Fulbaria?
Yes, sir.
You are from? Nekotola, you are from? You are from? Kachuapal. You are from? I'm from Burikula. Nice. You, Kachuapal, Burikula. And I too, I am from Rasbal, SBG, Jharkhand. So, my dear students, so try to speak English fluently and like an Englishman, right? As Englishman, okay? So, now I will make questions for everyone and you will try to answer in English language. So, okay. So, what did you eat at noon today? What did you eat at noon today? Can I know?
What did you eat?
Eat, yes. What did you eat at noon today?
Today,
I mean, what did you have in lunch? Right?
3 times.
Oh, no, that's not my question. My question is, what did you eat in lunch? May I know?
of course, why not?
Okay, so vegetable or chicken, biryani, fish, eggs, anything else? Balls, rice and balls, something else did you eat, right? You ate something else. So nice. You, what did you eat in your lunch time? Okay, how many books do you have right now? Count and tell me. How many books do you have right now? Tell me. First count and tell me. First count. 1, 2. There are 2 books to you, right? Okay, and you? How many books do you have? 1. Only 1. Okay. So, and you? You have also 1. And you? 2 books. You have 2 books. Okay. And so, my dear students, also first, Yasmin, you can say, and can I know that what type of food you like to eat? Rice and egg. Wow, nice. And you? What type of food do you want to eat? And if you suppose if there is a golden chance to eat something else, right? And it is offer for you. So what would you like to eat? Chicken? Chicken rice. Wow, nice. And you? Okay, so in dinner, what did you eat? Yes? Chicken rice. Really? Really? So invite me to something. Invite me to eat something else. I want too much, little more only, okay? So invite me at night, okay? In dinner time, okay? So do you invite me?
Yes.
You invite me right now? Okay, so let's go after class. After completing this class, okay? So, what's your name, my boy?
My name is Rahil.
Your name is Mr. Rahil Sheikh. So, how many books do you have right now? You can count and tell me.
Rahil.
1. Only 1. Why? You should have many books, right?
Because you are in 10th.
Right? So, why don't you have many books? Only 1. What type of book? What type of notebook this? Wow, Hindi type of. Okay, so and my dear, what's your name?
My name is Tafriza.
Okay, and what's your father's name?
My father name is Haji Mansur.
Wow, I think your hair is so long, so you should cut down a little
Sir,
more
I
your hair.
cut after 10 years.
You know what? That we want to listen to speak English, right? And try to get and try to make a reason. Your hair is not long right now, but we need a reason to speak English. That's why I said right now. Okay. So, how many books do you have right now?
I have 2 books.
You have 2 books.
Yes.
First count and tell me. First count very well.
Sir, I can't marry.
You counted
Yes.
already.
Already.
Wow, you have 2 books. Okay, so what is the names of those books? Can you tell me?
I mean notebook.
Notebook. You have notebook. Wow. What type of?
Hindi.
Hindi. And second one?
Both are Hindi.
Both are Hindi. Oh, wow, nice, good. So, you, who are you? Who are you? Oh, I know you are a boy, and I can see that you are a boy. But who are you? What's your name? Where are you from? Your name is Ramzan Sir. Wow. So, what are you doing here?
I'm learning to speak.
You are learning speak on English. Okay, okay. You mean you want to speak English fluently, right? And you are right now you are learning English here, right? So, okay. So, in your future, what you want to become in your future? And in your life? Businessman. Wow, nice, good job. So, right now, how many books do you have?
I have only one.
You have only one book. What type of Hindi, English, mathematics? Hindi. Wow. Anything else? No. Okay. So where are you from?
I'm from Kachara.
You are from Kachwakul. What is Kachwakul? What's Kachwakul? How name is?
Small village.
That's a small village. Wow. Village name is Kachwakul.
Yes, yes.
How is this name? Yeah. Okay. So my dear students, right now.
Can't listen. Kachara.
I already know this, but you know very well that we need a reason to speak English, right? Okay, so my dear students, so together try to speak English. So I will speak Hindi and you will try to answer in English, okay? So guys, now I'm going to speak Hindi and my all students try to speak English and try to answer in English. So let's go. Okay, so यहाँ पानी है? Speak a lot. यहाँ पानी है? Speak a lot यार. यहाँ पानी है? यहाँ चीनी है? Good. यहाँ आटा है? यहाँ कुर्सी है? यहाँ लड़का है? वहाँ लड़की है? मैं खुश हूँ? No, don't say I am. Don't say I am. I and am equal to and it's called a contraction word, right? So I'm happy, I'm good, I'm fat, I'm clever, I'm not sad, I'm not brave, like this you can say, okay? So मैं खुश हूँ? मैं अच्छा हूँ? मैं मोटा हूँ? मैं छोटा हूँ? I'm young. मैं छोटा हूँ? मैं छोटा हूँ? मैं बूढ़ा हूँ? मैं बूढ़ा हूँ? मैं छोटा हूँ? I'm young. Okay, so मेरे पास किताब है. Speak a lot. मेरे पास किताब है. मेरे पास कलम है. मेरे पास समय है. मेरे पास समय है. Oh, nice. So don't say I have a time, but you can say while speaking English, it will run easily. Okay, very fast. Okay. Still, we should try to speak English grammatically a little more, right? So that's why we should learn something different, right? Okay, so that's why हम लोगों को जो है कुछ अलग सीखना है. So बताइए, मैं जा सकता हूँ? I can go. मैं जा सकता हूँ? मैं खेल सकता हूँ? Speak a lot, yeah. It's going on. I think all of you will destroy my video.
No, sir.
Why are you doing so? Try to speak a lot. Because today we don't have the microphone right now, right? And the camera is going on. Are you getting my point? Are you getting my point? Getting or not? समझ में आ रहा है ना? क्या बोल रहे हैं? कम से कम if you don't get my point, if you are not getting my point, still you try to listen my thing, right? फिर भी आपको मेरी बातों को सुनना है, because if you be a good listener, then you will be a good speaker in your future. राइट? अगर आप सबसे पहले ध्यान रखिएगा, अगर आप एक अच्छा सुनने वाला बन गए तो समझ लो कि आप जो भविष्य में आप अच्छा बोलने वाला भी बन जाएंगे। सबसे पहले हमको सुनना है, दूसरी बात समझना है, तीसरी बात 100 सवालों के जवाब एक के जवाब में देता हूँ। ऐसे बोलो कि सामने वाला, साइड वाला, आगे वाला, पीछे वाला सब हक्का बक्का रह जाए। Oh, so what's going on here? Who is he? Who is that guy? Right? समझ नहीं आ रहा कौन है? बस सुनते चलो और जवाब इस एंड मौके पर देने शुरू करो कि सब चौक जाए कि अरे गजब लड़का है, सब मुंह बंद कर दे। ओके, सो दैट इज यूज ऑफ कैन। ओके, मैं जा सकता हूँ, मैं आ सकता हूँ, इस पे गलत मैं खेल सकता हूँ, something more, okay, more and more, okay, so मैं जा सकता हूँ, no I can go, okay, once again मैं जा सकता हूँ, please speak aloud, I can go, I'm the best, and I can do, 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 okay, मैं जा सकता हूँ, मैं खेल सकता हूँ, मैं पढ़ सकता हूँ, मैं लिख सकता हूँ, मैं देख सकता हूँ, मैं बोल सकता हूँ, मैं बोल सकता हूँ, नाइस, मैं नाच सकता हूँ, मैं ठुमका लगा सकता हूँ, ओके, I can dance, I can dance, मैं उछल सकता हूँ, I can jump, good, okay, so now use of will, मैं जाऊंगा, मैं जाऊंगा, मैं आऊंगा, मैं खेलूंगा, मैं पढ़ूंगा, मैं बोलूंगा, मैं देखूंगा, मैं जाऊंगा, मैं बाजार जाऊंगा, I will go to market, I will go to बाजार, okay, you can say okay, so मैं जाऊंगा, मैं स्कूल जाऊंगा, मैं स्कूल जाऊंगा, okay, मैं जाऊंगा, मैं घर जाऊंगा, मैं घर जाऊंगा, good, मैं खाऊंगा, I will eat, मैं खाऊंगा, मैं खाऊंगा, मैं खाना खाऊंगा, yes, I will eat food, okay, so मैं पीऊंगा, मैं पीऊंगा, मैं पानी पीऊंगा, yes, I will drink water, so good, very good, so if you want to speak in negative, right, अगर आप negative में बोलना चाहे, so how can you speak in negative? So I want, no, listen very well, listen my thing very well, and then try to speak fluently English, right, and you will be able to speak English fluently, right, बस NDRMN सर को सब्सक्राइब जरूर करना और बने रहे इसी तरह से। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। बात यह है कि अगर आप नेगेटिव में बोलना चाहे तो I will not की जगह I want go, I want play, I want it, I want, it means मैं नहीं जाऊंगा, मैं नहीं खाऊंगा, मैं नहीं पढ़ूंगा, मैं नहीं सोऊंगा। इसका मतलब देखिए, सबसे पहले तो आप समझिए, जैसे कि आप जाएंगे, नो I want मतलब मैं नहीं जाऊंगा, आपको पूरी सेंटेंस बोलने की जरूरत नहीं है, you don't need to speak a whole sentence, okay, and complete sentence. Are you getting my point?
Yes sir.
Okay, so अगर आपको कहना है, जैसे कि suppose someone make you a question and someone question you, right, to you that will you eat? No, I will not eat. You can say like this, so don't say like this from next time, okay, and right now, from now, okay, you can say and you will speak like this, I want, only I want, like this, जैसे कि हिंदी में अगर बोला जाए या समझा जाए, जैसे कि क्या आप जाओगे?
Yes, I will.
क्या आप जाओगे और आपको ना में जवाब देना है, किस में जवाब देना है? ना में जवाब देना है। I will not go, I will not go, क्या आप खाओगे?
I want it.
I want it, क्या बोला? I want it, क्या तुम जाओगे? I will not go, like this, इस तरह से होता है ना जी। तो हमको पूरा सेंटेंस बोलने की जरूरत नहीं है, I want बोल देंगे, कहानी खत्म। जैसे क्या तुम पियोगे? नहीं, I want। क्या तुम जाओगे? No, I want। क्या तुम खाओगे? No, I want। क्या तुम रहोगे? No, I want। और No, I want का मतलब मैं नहीं रहूंगा। अगर आपको कोई जाने की बात कहे और अगर आप वहाँ पर बोल रहे I want, इसका मतलब मैं नहीं जाऊंगा। अगर कोई आपको बैठने की बात करे और अगर आप बोल रहे I want, इसका मतलब मैं नहीं बैठूंगा। अगर आपको कोई कुछ लिखने की बात कहे और अगर आप कहे कि नहीं मैं नहीं लिखूंगा, I want, ठीक है, I want is all rounder, I want is all rounder, सब जगह I want कह सकते हैं। सो अभी कहने की कोशिश करेंगे। सो माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, इट्स टाइम टू अजान, सो दैट्स व्हाई सेट अप।